gonna do a pocket dump for you. I just realized I had a lot of stuff in my pockets. I got cargo shorts on. A little bit easier to carry all this. Oh yeah, I got the new Tenacious Spider coat. I forgot about that. Do a review on that real soon. I've been carrying a little Gerber as my backup. Like you can tell, it's been used quite a bit. Got my little flashlight. Got my 10 round self defense rounds, and I got 17 rounds of just target ammo as a backup. Got my Oakleys, my butane lighter, my Casio watch, SR9C. Got a new Range Max in the waistband holster. Got my Digi wallet. Of course, my hat. But like I said, there'll be more reviews coming later. And I got actually I guess it's a Carson M16. Sorry for the quality, guys. M16 12Z Carson design CRKT. I'll be doing a review on it. It is used, but I actually found it in the parking lot where I work. But alright, everybody. Hope you enjoy, and God bless.